Hey guys, today I'm going to attempt a quick video on how to clean a hot glue gun. Mine is pretty bad. The funny thing is that I just got a new one for Christmas because I didn't think I could clean my old one, and now this one's all messy. So here we are. It's been on for a while because it needs to be nice and hot to do this. So first you're just going to take some foil and rip it up, kind of crumple it into a big ball, and then just rub it on there. Like rub it all on the tip part and just try to peel off what you can. Oh, well that worked well. That was quicker than I thought. So just keep kind of rubbing it and peeling it off. Like I said, you gotta make sure that it's hot. So be careful, you don't want to burn yourself. I saw somebody wearing an UGG glove and doing it, so it might be a good idea. I'm gonna get a little bit more foil and make it bigger now. And this is just cheap Dollar Tree foil. I'm in a quarantine and I don't want to waste my good foil. Now I'm taking my hairdryer and I'm going to heat up the sides, because when it's on, the sides don't get as hot as the tip of it does. So I'm just going to heat the sides up to try to get them real hot. I'm recording over this so that the hairdryer didn't make everyone deaf. This is super loud from the first time I tried to record this. Alright, trying again. Just gonna keep rubbing at it with the foil and getting all that stuff loose. It needs to be pretty hot because I realized that when I rubbed it wasn't that hot, it didn't really come off, but after I heated it up really good, it came off a lot easier. I just kept rubbing at it. And the funny thing is that the other side wasn't nearly as bad as the left side. The right one wasn't as bad, so I don't know why. Heat it up a little bit more to get the side nice and hot again. Rub the last little pieces off. Like I said, this side wasn't as bad, so it was easier than the other side. There's some like shiny pieces that I couldn't get off, but for the most part, it looks so much better. Then at the very end, I took some rubbing alcohol and just put it on a paper towel. Mine was 91% isopropyl alcohol, but I'm sure 70 would work too. And I just wanted to rub over the whole thing to get the last little pieces off and just clean it up a little bit. I'm actually amazed at how good this is doing. It looks like it's brand new. If only I would have done this to my last one instead of just getting a new one. And by now I unplugged the hot glue gun because it doesn't need to be hot any longer. Now that we're done with the foil for the alcohol part, it doesn't need to be hot. It's funny, I wasn't planning on recording this, but I figured most of the stuff on my channel includes hot glue, so maybe it would help some of you guys just clean off your gun instead of being crazy like me and getting a new one. So I hope you liked this video. If you tried it at home, let me know. If it worked, that's really awesome, and hopefully I could help some people clean their hot glue guns. If you want to check out my other craft videos, please do, and give me a subscribe. Thank you. See you guys later.